Welcome to dotcom.builders. In this video, I will share with you how to protect our website with a password on Bluehost. As you see, when I didn't fill in the correct password, I was stopped from accessing my website. How to do this on Bluehost? It's simple. First, log in to your Bluehost account. Then go to the website's page. And next to the website that you want to restrict access on, click on Manage. Now jump to the Advanced tab. My bad, you should go to the Files and Access tab. Then next to Directory Privacy, click on Manage. Now click on Add Privacy button. Here select the website you want to protect with a password. In my case, it will be this automation fan website. Here the directory, do not edit unless you know what you are doing. Here fill in a username and a password that you want to, in order to access your password protected website. For example, I will go with Bluehost and this password. Click on Add. As you see, you have successfully added privacy to the directory of your website. Now let's try to access this website. Here, don't worry if you still see this content, it only registered in my browser cache. If I try to refresh my website, it asks me for a username and a password. If I don't fill it, this is what I see, unauthorized. Now, if I fill in the correct username and password, let me double check the password and hit enter, I can access my website content. And this is how to password protect a website on Bluehost. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.